Lesson: Identifying and Mitigating AI Model Drift. AI model drift refers to the phenomenon where the performance of a machine learning model degrades over time due to changes in the underlying data distribution. This is a critical issue in the deployment and maintenance of AI systems, as it can lead to inaccurate predictions and suboptimal decision-making processes. Identifying and mitigating model drift is essential for maintaining the reliability and accuracy of AI systems. One of the primary causes of model drift is the dynamic nature of real-world environments. As time progresses, the data that models were initially trained on may no longer represent current conditions. For instance, a recommendation system trained on past consumer behavior may become less effective as new trends emerge. Model drift can manifest in several forms, including concept drift, where the relationship between input data and the target variable changes, and data drift, where the input data distribution itself changes over time. To effectively identify model drift, practitioners can utilize a variety of monitoring tools and techniques. A simple yet effective approach is to continuously monitor the model's performance metrics, such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. If these metrics show a consistent decline, it may indicate model drift. Another technique involves comparing the distribution of input data over time using statistical tests such as the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test or the chi-square test. These tests can help detect significant changes in data distribution that could lead to model drift. In addition to monitoring performance, it is crucial to implement robust drift detection frameworks. One such framework is the adaptive windowing method, which dynamically adjusts the size of the data window used for analysis and detects changes by identifying significant differences in the data distribution within the window. Another approach is the Page-Hinckley test, a sequential analysis technique that detects abrupt changes in the mean of a data stream by evaluating cumulative sums of deviations from the expected value. Once model drift is identified, mitigating its effects requires a strategic approach. Retraining the model with updated data is a common practice. This involves periodically collecting new data that reflects current conditions and using it to update the model. However, this process can be resource-intensive and may not always be feasible. To address this challenge, organizations can employ online learning algorithms that continuously update the model as new data becomes available. These algorithms, such as stochastic gradient descent, allow models to adapt to changes without the need for complete retraining. Another effective strategy is to implement ensemble learning techniques. By combining predictions from multiple models trained on different data subsets, ensemble methods can enhance the robustness and accuracy of the overall system. Techniques such as bagging, boosting, and stacking can help mitigate model drift by leveraging diverse perspectives and reducing the impact of individual model errors. Practical tools and frameworks play a vital role in the successful implementation of drift mitigation strategies. Tools like DataRobot and H2O.ai offer comprehensive platforms for monitoring, detecting, and addressing model drift. These platforms provide automated workflows for retraining models, evaluating performance, and generating alerts when drift is detected. In addition, they support integration with popular machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and scikit-learn, enabling seamless deployment and maintenance of AI systems. A case study that illustrates the effectiveness of these tools involves a financial institution that deployed a credit scoring model. Over time, the model's accuracy declined due to changes in economic conditions and consumer behavior. By utilizing a combination of drift detection techniques and ensemble learning, the institution was able to identify the drift and retrain the model with updated data. This approach resulted in a significant improvement in model performance, reducing the error rate by 15% and increasing the accuracy by 10%. In addition to automated tools, organizations can establish a proactive monitoring framework that involves regular model audits and performance reviews. This includes setting up alerts for significant deviations in performance metrics and conducting periodic checks to ensure data quality and integrity. By maintaining a comprehensive monitoring strategy, organizations can detect and address model drift before it adversely affects business outcomes. Moreover, collaboration between data scientists, engineers, and domain experts is crucial in effectively managing model drift. Data scientists can provide insights into the technical aspects of drift detection and mitigation, while domain experts can offer valuable context regarding changes in the business environment. By fostering a collaborative culture, organizations can leverage diverse expertise to develop more effective and robust AI systems. It is also essential to consider the ethical implications of model drift, particularly in industries where AI systems impact human lives, such as healthcare and finance. Model drift can lead to biased or unfair outcomes if not properly managed. Therefore, organizations should incorporate fairness and transparency considerations into their drift detection and mitigation strategies. This includes regularly evaluating models for potential biases and ensuring that updates and changes are communicated transparently to stakeholders. Despite the challenges associated with model drift, advancements in AI research and technology continue to provide new opportunities for more effective detection and mitigation strategies. For instance, recent developments in transfer learning and meta-learning offer promising approaches to enhance model adaptability and resilience. By leveraging knowledge from related tasks or domains, these techniques enable models to better cope with changing data distributions and improve generalization to new environments. In conclusion, identifying and mitigating AI model drift is a critical aspect of maintaining the performance and reliability of AI systems. By employing a combination of monitoring tools, drift detection frameworks, and adaptive learning strategies, organizations can effectively address the challenges posed by model drift. Practical tools and frameworks, such as DataRobot and H2O.ai, offer valuable resources for implementing these strategies in real-world scenarios. Additionally, fostering collaboration and considering ethical implications are essential for developing robust and responsible AI systems. As AI technology continues to evolve, staying informed about the latest research and best practices will be crucial for professionals seeking to enhance their proficiency in this dynamic field.